Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Yes children, welcome you all for today's math session. In today's class, we are going to continue the lesson subtraction up to 9. Lesson number 3, subtraction up to 9. Yes children, in our previous class, we completed some of the exercise. That is, what do you mean by subtraction and the symbol for subtraction. Right? Do you remember? Yes, let us have a small recap on it. Yes, children, you studied what do you mean by subtraction. Then what is subtraction? Subtraction is a process of taking away the smaller number from the bigger number. For example, here you are having collection of 6 birds. When you want to follow subtraction, you have to take away smaller number from the bigger number. So here we are taking away 2 from 6. So finally we will be left out with 4. So when you remove 2 from 6, you will be getting 4. This is how the subtraction process takes place. Then what is the next concept that we studied? Now, which is the next concept we studied? Yes, that is the symbol for subtraction. Yes, children, here what we studied? That is, we got to know that which symbol to be used for subtraction. That is minus. For example, we write as 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Here, the number 3 is subtracting from the number 4. Then answer will be written as equals to 1. Here 4 minus 3 gives you 1. Then also we learned how to cross out objects that are taken away or removed from the collection. Right? Yes. For example, here you are having 6 number of objects. If I want to remove 3 from this collection of 6 objects, I will cross out 3 objects, and now I will count down the objects which are not crossed out. That is 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Now children, let us move to the next concept, that is subtraction using number strip. How to do subtraction using number strip? I will explain you. Children, here you have given a collection of numbers, that is from 1 to 9, which is arranged in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers are arranged in order. For example, if you want to remove 5 from 8, that is 8 minus 5. How to do? Yes. Firstly, you have to keep your finger at 8. That is on the bigger number. Then you have to move 5 steps backward. Why? Because here we are removing 5 from 8. So, firstly you have to keep your finger on 8. Then move 5 steps backward. Then you will reach at 3. So, answer will be 3. When you remove number 5 from 8, you will get answer as 3. Now children, let us look at examples. Children, let us move to the exercise part. The first question you have given is 2 minus 1. Then what is the answer? Let us try to find out using number strip. Yes, the first question is, children, here the question is 2 minus 1. So here we are having number strip. The first step is you have to keep your finger on the bigger number. Here among 2 and 1, 2 is the bigger number. So keep your finger on 2. Then to remove 1 from 2, you have to move 1 step backward. So I will move 1 step backward now. Then you will reach at number 1. So answer will be 1. How to read this? 2 minus 1 equals to 1. When you remove 1 from 2, you will get answer as 1. Now let us move to the next exercise, 7 minus 4. Now we shall try to find an answer from number strip. Children, let us move to the next exercise. Next exercise, that is 7 minus 4. Now we shall try to find an answer using number strip. Children, the next exercise, 7 minus 4. So here I am having number strip. What is the first step do I need to take? Yes, I have to keep my finger on number 7. Because here we are subtracting 4 from 7. So firstly you have to keep your finger on number 7. Then you have to move 4 steps backward. Because here we are subtracting 4. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. Yes. When I move 4 steps backward, I reached at 3. That is number 3. So, your answer will be 3. Whenever you subtract 4 from 7, you will get answer as 3. Children, now I hope you have understood how to do subtraction using number strip. So children, same rules to be followed for all these rest out exercise. So you have to complete these exercise in textbook. Also you have to copy this exercise to your maths notes, to be written in your maths notes. Okay children. Now children, let us move to the next concept, that is vertical subtraction. Yes, what do you mean by vertical subtraction? Children, as you know, we used to represent our subtraction in horizontal form, right? For example, if you want to remove 2 from 5, means we used to write it in horizontal form. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Here, we have followed the horizontal form. That is, the numbers are arranged in horizontal way. Right. But children, in the case of vertical subtraction, we have to arrange the numbers in vertical form. If you observed here the numbers are arranged one under the other. That is like, first the bigger number has written here, then the smaller number which is to be removed from the bigger number. Then here the symbol is mentioned, that is minus. Why? Because it shows us we are subtracting the numbers. So 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Answer will be written at the last. So 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Here all the numbers are arranged one under the other. So this form of representation tells you the vertical subtraction. Now let us see one example. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Here 4 bulbs were there and 1 bulb is crossed out, which means one object is removing from this collection of 4 bulbs. So 4 minus 1 gives you 3. The numbers are arranged in vertical form, one under the other. 4, next one, and the symbol is mentioned here, that is minus. Then answer will be written within this box. Then the next exercise, 3 minus 2. Yes, here you have given 3 objects, that is 3 chairs, and here 2 chairs are cancelled out. So you have to written as minus 2. Then after removing 2 from 3, you will get answer as 1. If you observed here, only one chair is left out. So you have to write 1 at this box. And also if you observe here, the numbers are arranged in vertical form. That is one under the other. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Children, similarly, please follow the same rule and complete all these exercises in your textbook itself. This exercise need not to be written in your maths notes. Only complete it in your textbook itself. Then, children, we are ending today's class by finishing these two exercises. Let us meet in our next class. Thank you.